Every second, machines race, aluminum cans fly, energy born at impossible speed.
Raw water enters the facility, forming the foundation of every beverage produced. Multiple filtration stages remove particles, sediments, and impurities before purification begins. Purification systems remove microbes and minerals, ensuring safe, neutral-tasting process water. Purified water is stored safely, awaiting precise mixing with concentrated syrup ingredients. Dedicated tanks prepare concentrated syrup, ensuring controlled mixing of all beverage ingredients. Measured sweeteners dissolve completely, forming the base structure of concentrated beverage syrup. Flavor compounds, caffeine, and vitamins are dosed precisely into concentrated syrup. Digital systems verify ingredient ratios, locking consistency before blending with purified water.
Purified water blends with syrup, creating flat beverage base before carbonation.
Chilled beverage absorbs carbon dioxide evenly, transforming flat liquid into finished drink. Carbonation stabilizes under constant pressure, preventing bubble loss before buffer storage.
Finished beverage rests in buffer tanks, maintaining pressure until packaging demands supply.
Quality tests confirm taste, carbonation, and safety before beverage reaches filling lines.
Approved beverage is released from buffer tanks, flowing toward the can filling line.
Prepared beverage reaches packaging line, ready to meet clean cans simultaneously.
Millions of empty cans arrive perfectly aligned, awaiting transformation inside precision-driven machinery. Before liquids touch metal, inverted cans receive powerful air blasts, removing dust.
High-pressure water rinses every can interior, ensuring hygiene before drying stage process.
Filtered air dries cans completely, preventing contamination before inspection and filling stages. Cameras inspect each can, rejecting dents, cracks, contamination before any liquid enters. Clean cans rotate upright smoothly, aligning perfectly before entering high-precision filling systems. Now systems stabilize temperature, pressure, and timing before precise liquid filling begins.
Carbonated liquid fills cans gently under pressure, preventing foam and carbonation loss.
Finished energy drink waits inside buffer tanks, pressure stable, ready for precise filling.
Filling valves seal cans tightly, allowing carbonated beverage to enter without foaming. Filling stops precisely. Valves retract cleanly, ensuring accurate volumes without spillage.
Aluminum lids arrive separately, aligning carefully above filled cans before sealing.
Sealed seams are checked immediately, ensuring airtight closure and long-term carbonation retention.
Internal pressure tests detect leaks, confirming sealed cans safely hold carbonation. Date and batch codes print clearly, enabling traceability for every produced can.
Vision systems verify printed codes, rejecting cans with unreadable or missing information.
Approved cans accelerate smoothly, increasing throughput while maintaining spacing and stability.
Human inspectors verify visual quality, adding judgment beyond automated inspection systems. Operators oversee grouping accuracy, ensuring correct counts before cans enter packaging trays.
Grouped cans drop into trays smoothly, forming stable units for secondary packaging.
Clear shrink film wraps trays loosely, preparing packages for heat sealing. Heat tunnels shrink film tightly, securing trays into durable, transport-ready packages.
Sealed trays cool gradually, stabilizing packages before robotic stacking and palletizing begins.
Workers stack sealed trays manually, forming stable pallet layers with consistent alignment.
Stretch wrap secures palletized trays tightly, preventing movement during storage and transport. Labeled pallets are positioned carefully, organized within warehouse lanes for efficient retrieval.
Dispatch orders identify specific pallets, ensuring correct products leave the warehouse.
Selected pallets move carefully to loading docks, awaiting scheduled vehicle loading. Forklifts lift pallets smoothly, loading vehicles efficiently while maintaining balance and safety. Forklifts load pallets continuously, maintaining steady pace while maximizing truck space efficiency. Loaded trucks leave the facility, carrying finished products toward distribution markets.
Finished products travel outward, beginning distribution journeys across cities and regions.
Distribution routes divide shipments efficiently, supplying multiple regions from one production source.
Trucks reach local distribution centers, preparing products for last-mile delivery operations.
Products transfer into local delivery vehicles, moving closer to stores and consumers. Deliveries reach retail stores, transferring products from logistics networks to shelves.
Energy drink cans are stocked neatly, completing the journey from factory to shelves.
Customers choose energy drinks from shelves, completing the product's manufacturing and distribution journey.
The finished energy drink is opened, enjoyed, completing its long industrial journey.
Millions experience the same product daily, powered by identical, unseen production systems.
If this journey impressed you, like and subscribe for more factory stories.